mobile trailer-type water pump is a type of water pump that is mounted on a trailer for easy transportation and mobility. It is typically used in flood control and other situations where large quantities of water need to be delivered quickly and efficiently. With features such as detachable trailer chassis, high-quality self-priming pump, full LCD intelligent controller, AGG mobile water pump allows for easy transport, low fuel consumption, high flexibility and low overall running costs when providing efficient drainage or water supply support. Mobile water pumps are used in a wide range of applications, usually for the following applications. In times of natural disasters or emergencies, mobile water pumps can be quickly deployed to the affected location, to provide timely water removal and drainage support. When used in firefighting situations, mobile water pumps are used to quickly pump water from a nearby source to extinguish a fire. In some cases, mobile water pumps can be used to temporarily supply water to areas where the water supply has been interrupted. Mobile water pumps can be used to pump water from water sources such as rivers or ponds to irrigate agricultural crops to ensure proper hydration of the crops. On construction sites, pumps are often used to extract water from excavations or trenches. Water pumps with trailer chassis offer a high degree of flexibility and can be moved between different construction sites. Mobile water pumps can be used for dewatering in mining operations to ensure that the mine site is dry and operational. As for fisheries development, mobile water pumps can be used to maintain water quality in fisheries, ensure adequate oxygenation, assist in fish handling, and address various challenges that may arise in fish farming operations. You can always rely on AGG and its reliable product quality to ensure a professional and comprehensive service from project design to implementation, thus guaranteeing the stable operation of your project. AGG Mobile Water Pump. Ideal solution for water drainage and supply.